guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today I have a human hair wig for you guys. This wig was sent over by LuvMe Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Really quick, easy summer human hair wig. It's so effortless. I'm gonna show y'all how I put it on, and I'm gonna wrap it up with my final thoughts. I'm also gonna show you guys basically like how to define these kinky curly wigs. When we get them, they look one way fresh out the pack, but then, you know, a little manipulation, they don't look as defined. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to define these curls and get it looking flowy and nice. Okay, so stick around. Give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. So just a little unboxing. It comes in this nice pretty purple box. You're gonna get a brush, and it came with this silicone grip, and it also comes in this bag for storage and a wig cap. So this is what the hair is looking like fresh out the pack. It also comes with an elastic band so you can wear it glueless. 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back, and it comes with a breathable cap so you can scratch your scalp. I did try the silicone band that it came with, but because I have headache issues, it was a little too tight for me, but that's what it's looking like just in case you want to use it. Putting on this wig is very easy. It's pretty much ready to go out the pack. So I was filling out the curls and just seeing how the flow of the wig was. I'm going to go ahead and start off with just cutting off the lace. It's really easy. I just used an eyebrow razor just so I can get like a jagged cut to appear more natural. And then after that, I'm just going to secure the wig on my head exactly where I want it. And I'm going in with some bobby pins on the side because I'm going to wear this wig glueless. After that, I noticed that the lace just needed a little bit of blending. As you can see, a little white cast. So I just went in with my lace tint mousse. You can use makeup or powder or whatever to match your complexion. After that, just to get it to be glueless, I'm going to use my Lotta Body foaming mousse. This is like setting lotion. It's just going to hold the wig in place and just get the lace to appear more melted. I'm just going to let that set as I play with the curls. So I'm just getting it in the right position, and then I go in with my elastic band just to set the wig in place. Now I'm just starting off misting the wig. I like to dampen the wig first just so I don't use a lot of product to set it, and I'm just getting it slightly damp. Now I'm going to go in with this Shea Moisture curl mousse just to kind of define the curls. You can use whatever mousse you like. This is just to get the curls back popping and just more definition, and this is how it was looking after I brushed it out. I didn't want to use up too much product because I did notice that the wig does need to be a little bit more damp as you're basically like setting the wig. So then I went in with a little bit more mousse, and I'm just running my fingers through the curls just to get those curls to pop out. Now I'm going to go in with my Lotta Body mousse because this is pretty much like setting lotion, and it's just setting the curls, and you see how more definition like those curls kind of came to life more. So I think I like this technique. I'm not too sure. I like playing around with different products to see what works, but to me it just seemed like the Lotta Body just really made those curls pop. It could be because the wig is just really damp or the Lotta Body, but I'm really liking the way these curls really pop out. So to save time, I'm just going to do the other side pretty much off camera. I did the same exact thing that I did to the other side. So now I'm just taking off the elastic band, and as you guys see, that lace is really melted even though I moved it. I like how flat this lace is laying down to my skin even though there's no adhesive on it. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of powder just to kind of darken the lace just a little bit more, and just a touch of powder in the parting space to kind of open it up just a tad, and pretty much that's it. I let the wig dry just a little bit more, and this is what she's looking like. Okay, my friends, so I'm finished putting on this wig, and I put this wig on glueless. Okay, I'm a little nervous because if y'all know me, y'all know how I feel about the glueless, but I know that's in right now, so I tried to go ahead and do that for you guys. That's how much I love you. Let me go ahead and give you guys some specs about this unit. The unit that I have for you guys today is, again, it's a human hair wig. This wig is a breathable cap. That means you can scratch your scalp. You can scratch it. You can scratch it. We love breathable caps, y'all. It's kinky curly. It's a 5x5 lace closure. That means that the lace is just in the front here. On the sides, you're not going to get any lace going down, but it's fine because of the texture of the hair. Like, you could get away with it. It did come with a standard middle part, so I chose to just go ahead and leave it. But you can part this wig if you need to. It's some parting space in here, so you could switch her up. You could wear her to the side. You could do what you want to do. But we're just wearing her in the middle because that's the way she came, and I didn't feel like manipulating the part. Now this wig is ready to go, meaning like I did define the curls a little bit because after I cut the lace, it tends to get a little frizzy on me, but That's expected with human hair curly wigs. Like, you manipulate it and it's going to get a little frizzy. This wig is 14 inches. It does go up to 16 inches. And as far as the cap, you can get a regular cap or a breathable cap. I do have the breathable cap. If you don't want to wear this wig in the middle part, you can choose to wear it like left side parted, like pre-parted. So keep that in mind. This wig is also under $200, y'all. Like, it's $169 right now. If I have any coupon codes or anything, I'll leave them in the description box below. But this is a really good price for this human hair wig. So let's talk about this wig real quick. Well, easy. All I did was I used my little razor and cut off the lace. It was easy. The knots on this wig are bleached, so you don't have to bleach the knots on this. I didn't even go in underneath my lace and tint it. All I did was in the front, just to match it a little bit, is I used my lace tint mousse and I used a little bit of powder to match it to my complexion. But for the most part, like, she's ready to go. She is ready to go. I did go in with some bobby pins on the side because I did choose to wear this wig glueless, and I don't know how y'all be doing this glueless stuff, but I'm trying, okay? I went in with my Lotta Body foam. Glueless just means that basically your wig is not any glue or any adhesive. Some people say glueless could be actually using my bedhead spray because it's not glue. But I use this mousse just to not be so harsh with my hairline and using adhesive or glue. So I do get why people like glueless, but for me personally, I do like a little bit of security. If you don't want to go in with a Lotta Body mousse, you can use your bedhead spray or your Headbands spray if you feel like you want the wig to kind of hold, because we need firm. We need that wig to hold. It is summertime right now, so I'm gonna be very transparent with you guys. The fact that this wig is glueless, I am feeling her slip. She's slipping. She's slipping just a little bit, but because I did go in with those bobby pins, guys, she's not moving too much. So if you don't like a little bit of movement, I do suggest you going with a little adhesive spray, and I have a whole video on adhesive sprays. If you want to check it out right here. You can't get away with wearing this wig glueless. I do like how the lace melts into my skin. Definitely shout out to LuvMe Hair for that. And it's not much to do with this wig. I did go in with some water, and I did use a whole bunch of different products because I didn't know how I wanted to define these curls. I have tried kinky curly wigs in the past, y'all. And some of the textures on kinky curly wigs are a little kinkier. They're just a little bit more 4C type hair. I didn't know how I would feel about this kinky curly texture because initially when I was defining the curls, it was coming off more loose to me. Like, they were defining really good. But I must say that the more this wig fluffs out, the more that this wig gets dry and the more it fluffs out, and you see how it's looking a little frizzy, that's fine because this is looking more like my natural hair and I'm here for it. The hair texture on this hair is super soft, y'all. Like, it is so soft. It's really looking like my hair and it doesn't feel so hard. So I do like that. The way I defined it, a little bit of water. I'll leave a link in my Amazon storefront down below to Wig Essentials. A little bit of water. I do recommend getting a spray mist like this because it's a continuous mist. And I did go in with this curl free mousse because I saw it trending. I first saw Khrissy use it. You know, she swears by it, so I tried it and I do like it. I just feel like for more of a definition, I did have to go in with a little bit of Lotta Body. I'm not too sure if I just was not using enough, but how much this costs for me personally, I don't know. I like it. It works, but I think the combination of the two can stretch this, if that makes sense. Definitely put a little bit of this in to set it, to get the curls to look a little bit more defined to me. That's just my personal opinion. And then to top it all off, I did use a little bit of spray on glosser just because sometimes after these wigs dry, they look a little dull, but using some spray on glosser, guys, is gonna make it look a little bit more healthy and just more sheen. As far as the brush to define it, LuvMe did send a brush and I used that brush. I don't know where the brush is. I did use that brush, but I think using a brush like this is fine, y'all. Like, you can use what you have. Use your brushes that you have. And they also did send the silicone grip. I do think that if I could handle this grip, your wig wouldn't be sliding. So I do suggest if you want to do glueless, definitely going with a wig grip. For me personally, these silicone grips are a little bit too tight for my head and I have headache issues. So this was a little bit too tight, but There's other like wig grips so your wig won't slide. That pretty much wraps it all up. Real quick, easy, simple. We love wigs that we don't have to straighten and manipulate too much. So overall, I like this wig. I think she's cute and I do recommend her. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop me some comments down below. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.